In this video, I'll show you how to add a YouTube node in N8n and use it to get a channel by channel ID. This is a quick and simple setup, and once you know where to click, it only takes a minute to configure. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more N8n tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your N8n workflow and go to the Nodes panel. This is where you can add new actions and integrations to your automation. In the search bar, type YouTube or simply scroll until you find the YouTube node. Once you see the YouTube node, click it to add it to your workflow. N8n will place the node on your canvas, and now you can choose what you want it to do. Next, open the node settings and select Get a Channel. This tells N8n that you want to retrieve information about a specific YouTube channel instead of performing another action like listing videos or searching content. After that, you need to configure the node by giving it the channel ID. Paste the channel ID into the channel ID field carefully because this is the value N8n uses to identify the exact channel you want to fetch. Once the channel ID is entered, your YouTube node is ready to use. At this point, you can continue building your workflow, connect this node to the next step, and run a test to make sure it returns the channel details correctly. And that's it. You've added a YouTube node in N8n, selected Get a Channel, and configured it with a channel ID. If you found this useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more N8n automation tutorials.